Hello everyone, welcome back once again to my channel. My name is Lydia. In this video I share with you how to make very simple and crispy deep fried tilapia, and I hope you like and enjoy this recipe. And please remember to subscribe, like and also share. So let's get started. So I have here 2 clean fresh tilapia that I have cleaned and cut into 4 pieces, and I'm going to go ahead and pat it very dry before seasoning. Next, in a bowl, I'll add ginger powder, garlic powder, paprika powder, and also vegetable seasoning. Next, I'll go ahead and mix it very well. I'll now go ahead and add it to the tilapia. I'll also add some oil, and I'll continue to marinate it until it's well incorporated. And please take a moment to subscribe, like and share if you enjoy my recipes. So at this point it is well seasoned. I'm going to go ahead and cover it with some foil. So I'm going to go ahead and let it sit in the fridge for about 1 hour. Next, I'm going to go ahead and dip it in the plain flour before frying. This process is optional, but it helps the fish come out very nicely once it's done frying. Next, I'm going to deep fry it until it's nice and crispy. And to all my new and returning subscribers, thank you all so much for supporting this channel. So I'm going to go ahead and fry each side for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's crispy and nicely done. And I hope you are enjoying this recipe. This is very simple fried tilapia. And at this point, our deep fried tilapia is all done, looking very nice and crispy on the outside and soft in the inside. And I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. So I'll go ahead and transfer them onto a paper towel. And our deep fried crispy tilapia is all done. Very simple recipe, and it's very delicious as well. So please give it a try and comment down below what you think about this simple fried tilapia. So thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. I'm going to see you in my next video. Until then, bye and have a blessed week.